What's up, everybody? Reviewing the new Apple Trooper. It's not it's an old one. It's like $18 but when this I just put on it doesn't have very cool gun. I would love to I would love if they put like a tactical rail to put like a turret so you can do it like that. So my rating on this gun is about like 0. So I think that's it for the video.